Mumbai will get its first underground metro by 2021, which will run between Colaba, Bandra, Seeps. But even as the Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation, or the MMRC, began the construction of this 33.5-kilometer long Metro 3 rail, the entire project is embroiled in many controversies, from setting up of the controversial car depot at R.A. Milk Colony to the cutting of the trees for the project. The road ahead for MMRC is not easy. We caught up with the Managing Director of MMRC, Ms. Ashwini Bhide, to know more about MMRC's plans.
Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to ask you, Metro 3 is such an important project for Mumbai's connectivity. It's the first underground metro that Mumbai is going to have. So in terms of connectivity, how do you see it improving Mumbai's connectivity?
See, this is basically passing through such a congested area that there are almost 6 CBDs, that is central business districts, which today are not connected by rail network. And that is why there is a huge traffic congestion on the road. For example, Cup Parade or Fort or even Seeps, then Marod, MIDC, BKC. So because of this alignment, all these business districts would come on rail alignment, rail connectivity, which will substantially reduce the traffic on the road. And if you look at the numbers, in 2020 when we commissioned, almost 4.5 lakh vehicle trips would go off the road, saving 2.5 lakh liters per day of fuel.
Although the work has already started, as we know, but it is also true that this project has ran into a lot of environment trouble, and latest the Bombay High Court order has stopped cutting of trees. How is MMRC planning to address these issues?
There would be some doubts in people's mind. They may not be able to understand the overall impact of the project. They are looking at only one aspect of it, so they are approaching the court. Nothing wrong in it, but we will also strongly put our side before the court. Work is not stalled, tree cutting is stalled. We have ample work front available as of now, where we have continued with our work with full speed.
The rehabilitation, we understand there are 2,600 families, around 2,600, which will be rehabilitated. What are your plans? How are you planning to do this?
This 2,650 families, they are divided into 2 categories. About 2,100 families are slum families, which are getting rehabilitated as per MUTP policy in the vicinity, for which we have got tenements available from SRA, and that process is going on very, very smoothly. And about 900 families have already been shifted, and as and when the buildings are made available to us, in next 4 to 6 months, the remaining families will be rehabilitated.
The touchy issue is the RA colony, and as on December 30th, the government has given approval for Metro Car Depot with modified layout. Do you consider this as a big victory for MMRC?
We are not fighting any battle, so there is no question of victory or defeat. What is required for the project, that needs to be done. Whereas in democracy, we hear other voices also, other side of the story, and government exactly did that. There were issues, and government waited for almost 2 years to understand those issues and find out another options. When government realized that those options are not there, then they have come up, they have approved this option of doing metro at car depot at RA by optimizing the layout and saving the major tree cover there.
By 2021, the metro will be up and running?
Yes, that is the plan, and that is we are working towards that.